Do you want to create a haven for hummingbirds in your backyard? Imagine these vibrant, fluttering creatures enhancing your garden's charm. Their presence signifies a healthy ecosystem. Creating a haven for these delightful birds is simpler than you might think. Start by selecting the right location for your hummingbird haven. The location plays a pivotal role in attracting these feathered friends. Hummingbirds are fond of areas that offer a balance of sun and shade, so a spot under a tree with dappled sunlight would be idyllic. Now let's talk about flowers. The right flowers are like magnets to hummingbirds. They can't resist brightly colored tubular flowers that produce copious amounts of nectar. Think reds, pinks, and oranges. Flowers like bee balm, cardinal flower, and trumpet vine are excellent choices. Last but not least, water. Fresh water is crucial in any hummingbird haven. A shallow dish or a bird bath with a slow drip will keep them coming back for more. And just like that, you've set the stage for a hummingbird haven. Get ready to witness the mesmerizing flutter of wings and the iridescent glow of these tiny wonders in your very own backyard. Now that you've created your hummingbird haven, it's time to maintain it. Keeping your haven in top shape requires a few simple tasks. Regularly replenish the nectar in your flowers and ensure the water is always fresh. Remember, our feathered friends aren't just nectar lovers. They also feed on small insects. Hence, keeping your garden pesticide-free is crucial. By taking these measures, you not only protect the hummingbirds, but also promote a healthier ecosystem. With these simple steps, your hummingbird haven will be a flurry of activity in no time. There you have it, a simple guide to creating a hummingbird haven in your backyard. From selecting the right plants to providing fresh water, you've got all you need to start. Imagine the joy of having these tiny visitors. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more garden tips and tricks. Happy gardening!